Well, this is quite the spread. Boom. Today we're trying a hidden gem spot in LA. The Girl and the Chicken. It's a rotisserie chicken spot that serves Mediterranean food. Peep game, we got a lot of stuff. We got a chicken wrap, we got some sweet potatoes, chicken. We even got some hummus right here. Yo, there's some good pita chips. What did I tell y'all? We got an entire chicken, and this is flavorful. We got some harissa right here. Let's put on there. Oh my god. Yo, that's really good. Sweet potato. I like that harissa. It's not spicy, but it's very bold and smoky. It's good. It's that gaucho wrap. Look at everything in there. It's a whole bunch of stuff in here. I'm feeling healthy already. Oh my goodness. Does some chimichurri or not? Oh my god. It's a wrap. We got a whole feast today. Shout out to Girl and the Chicken. Hidden gem in LA. Check them out.